This is an inflatable basin, and I am just going to blow it up manually, and I'm going to use it to soak my braids in the way that you would detox locks. That is the way that I cleanse my hair and scalp once a month when I have braids. Now, the perimeter of my braids are about 2 months old. They're just under 2 months old, and I do have quite a bit of new growth. It's about 1 inch, which is normal for 2 months. But the middle of my hair that I finished up is just under a month old. And so I'm going to, now that all of my braids are a good month old, I am going to cleanse them, and that'll be my, regimen each month. Cleanse them, keep them moisturized. And one of the reasons why I love to detox in the way that you do locks is that sometimes around the base of braids, where it attaches to your hair, can become hard. It can become hard here and like almost act like a cement or glue. And so the detox will loosen all of that up, so that when I take out some of the braids around the perimeter, or just whatever braids that I'm redoing, and when I take them out, I can easily comb out whatever buildup is there, and keep my hair healthy when I reinstall a new braid. So I'm gonna detox my hair and redo a couple braids. And I do not have a pump, so I will be blowing this up manually. And there it is. It doesn't take long to blow up. And I'll fill this up with shampoo and apple cider vinegar and let my hair detox. So that's how I'll cleanse my hair and scalp. I'm going to go ahead and plunge it or plug it up. And when I let this out, it does have a little spout for the water to go out. It has like attachments for like a shower stuff, but I don't use all of those. So I'm going to use some of the Balance apple cider vinegar shampoo because it's good for detoxing and clarifying. And I just eyeball it. I'm also going to put some apple cider vinegar in here. Now, I know a lot of people put other things in here like baking soda and stuff like that. I don't put baking soda in my hair. I just use a shampoo, and then I always add a little extra apple cider vinegar just to make it more clarifying and detoxing. And then the rest will be water. The rest will be warm water, and I'm going to fill this up with warm water, and I'm going to detox my hair for maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I'll apply my leave-ins to wet hair and let it air dry. That's what's in there. I'm actually going to deflate the neck rest so that I can submerge more of my head into the basin. So I just deflated the neck rest, and I'm just going to soak my head in this. And I just let my hair detox. Now, of course, I'm not going to leave this mask on, but I will allow my hair to detox for about 20 minutes. And then I'll just rinse it with cool water. So I'll just cycle through 3 to 5 songs and let my hair soak. While it's in the basin, I'll just kind of squeeze it to make sure everything gets clean the way that I want. And then while it's still, because braided hair is kind of heavy and it'll drip like rain. So what I will do now that my hair has been soaking and has detoxed for about 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes, and I don't time it, I just listen to 3 to 5 songs, and that'll meet my quota. I'll just sit under the shower and rinse it for a good 5 minutes, apply my leave-ins, and let it drip dry to air dry. Alright, my braids are cleansed. They are still wet. They're going to go ahead and be drip drying all day. Sometimes I do go ahead and apply my leave-in while my hair is still soaking wet, but I don't have to do that. I actually prefer just to let it dry a little bit first and then apply my leave-ins to damp hair. And now when I start to refresh like my perimeter and start to refresh some of my braids, when I do that, I'm going to have like less buildup. because I detoxed my braids before I started that process, and so I can go ahead in a day or two. I will start refreshing my braids. I may even start doing a little bit today, but I don't like doing that while my hair is soaking wet, just because the hair is heavy and it can get tangled more easily if I were to do it on soaking wet hair. So I prefer to start re-braiding or refreshing my hair once my hair is damp as opposed to wet. So that's my detox regimen. I soak for 20 minutes, rinse with either cool to lukewarm water, and then I apply leave-in to damp hair. If you like this video, my content, my overall vibe, I welcome you to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.